Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a wig install, and this wig was provided to me by Gorgius Hair. They sent over this beautiful straight bang wig. It's called their True Scalp Bang wig. I have it in the length 20 inches, and you guys, this is going to be a really quick install. It's pretty much 5 minutes or less depending on how fast you are, because everything is done for you. There's literally no work to do, and this is my kind of wig, to be honest. I didn't think a bang wig was going to suit me, but you guys, this is bomb. This is really bomb. There are two major things I love about this wig, right? The first thing is the lace in the middle, because you guys know that with bang wigs, one of the things that actually puts me off, and I think puts a lot of people off, is the no lace in the middle. That kind of makes it look wiggy, if you get what I mean. But this has a realistic pattern. It is bleached. That's the second thing. It is bleached, so it is HD lace. Oh my god, HD lace, milk your scalp. That's why it's called the True Scalp Bang wig, I think. Now, it is natural, so it looks flawless and like flat on your head. If you guys get what I mean, right? You're going to see how it looks like as I'm installing it. But these are the two main things I love about this wig. It is pretty much like an easy everyday type of wig, like a wear and go. I think the major thing is, you know, when you fit it in your head in the first install, like when you shape it to, you know, fit your face and everything, it's just pretty much like a pickup, wear and go. Like, that's the kind of wig that this is, and that's why I really love it. I was really nervous on how it was going to suit me, but you guys, it looks so good. I love it so much. I think the only major thing I did was just kind of cut the bangs a little bit so that it fits my face the way I wanted to, because some were like touching my lashes and stuff, and I didn't like that. But obviously that's preference. However you like your bangles, however you're going to cut it, right? So if you like it long, then you leave it long. If you like it short, then you cut it shorter. But I love that it's already cut for you. Like, that hassle of getting the bang to look right or just the way you like it can be a pain, right? Pretty much nothing else I did to this wig than what you see right now. So I'm going to leave all the details in the description box below, just in case you might want to purchase this hair, which I highly recommend that you do, at least just to have that one wig that is easy for you to wear on days that you don't feel like doing anything to your hair, but then you still want to look good, right? I'm going to link everything, like I said, in the description box below. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Follow me on Instagram if you aren't following me. Everything is linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest bitch. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back, wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay, I'ma let you live, no shame.